Kiri Collection's no sugar kit was built for all those that have suffered trying to contain their sandy beach gear or sweaty post-hot yoga clothes. And for any explorer that needs a great waterproof dry bag for a quick kayak or day by the ocean. Simply stuff in your gear, roll, and you're good to go. It's really that easy. No Sugar uses magnetic buckle technology to seamlessly integrate with the back panel of your Kiri, and also provides a shoulder strap option, allowing for standalone carry. So make sure to check out the other Kiri kits at bananabackpacks.com and subscribe to the Kiri launch or risk missing out on our early bird deal.